Style kits come with a collection of pre-configured global style presets that you can import into your website and customize. In your WordPress dashboard, navigate to the Style Kits library page. Here you see all the available style kits that you can import to your site. To import a style kit, click the Import button that appears on hover. After import, you can stay on the same page or go to the local style kits. For now, let's stay on this page and import another kit. Now let's go to the local style kits page. The local style kits page contains a list of all the imported or your own custom kits. At the top of this page is where you can define a global style kit. This will be the default kit that will apply across your entire website. To set a global kit, select the one you want from the drop-down and hit Apply. Visit the website at the front and refresh the page to see how the styles changed based on your selection.